Meditation on the Soul of America. This meditation is adapted from a meditation created by Corinne McLaughlin, and the prayer for our nation that I'll read at the end was written by Corinne and her husband Gordon Davidson. Corinne and Gordon were teachers of the Ageless Wisdom at the Center for Visionary Leadership in Washington, D.C. from the early 1990s. They wrote the book Spiritual Politics and taught us about the importance of finding common ground with all the problems and polarizations we face in this country. This meditation will have several pauses for silent contemplation of the imagery. Let's begin by taking a few deep breaths to relax the body, emotions, and mind. Link inwardly with all those around the country and the world who are also praying and meditating for the United States at this time, connecting with them heart to heart and soul to soul. Take a moment to ground yourself and connect with the earth. Align with your highest self, the infinite source of love and wisdom within your own heart. Connect with the great teachers in whatever spiritual tradition you identify with. See light and love pouring in through the top of your head, feeling yourself becoming lighter and more free. Deep in your heart, get in touch with your love for America. Align with her soul, her highest purpose, and the principles upon which she was founded. Now imagine you are standing at the foot of the Statue of Liberty in the New York Harbor. See her holding aloft a torch of light with a book of wisdom in her other arm, welcoming all those who are yearning to breathe free. See this inspirational statue as a symbol of the soul of America. Now imagine yourself entering the statue with everyone meditating at this time and slowly climbing the spiral staircase that leads up to her crown. And see all of us together in the crown of the Statue of Liberty, in the room at the very top, where we can look out on the expansive view across the whole country, from city to countryside. See the statue compassionately welcoming people from around the world, and see our nation being protected and guided. As you look out across the land from this expanded view, you can see events and history in the life of this nation in a larger context and in a longer time frame. Send a peaceful, transformative, rose-colored light to DC's Capitol building and to every state Capitol building in the whole country. You can also visualize such colors as violet and gold white light for healing, or a deep blue-white light for higher consciousness. Let us reflect on what lesson America is learning at this time. Take a few minutes and see what comes to you about what we are going through now. Asking for new insights into the soul of America. See America aligning with her highest purpose and truly serving the greatest good of all. Send out rays of light and love to all the people of America, seeing this nation be healed and reunited in common purpose. Then imagine light and love radiating out to all people of the world, affirming ourselves as one human family. See a great light emanating from the heart of God, the heart of the universe, surrounding and filling our nation, her people, and our beautiful and natural environment. See our nation cooperating with other nations to serve their highest good and create greater peace, health, and prosperity for all the people of our planet. Call in higher spiritual forces to protect the election process on national, state, and local levels, and to ensure a fair election free from tampering. Visualize the most positive outcome of the election for the future of America, bringing greater peace, health, safety, unity, and prosperity. See our elected leaders bring forth the highest good for the American people and for all humanity. Visualize our country being reunited around a common vision for our future, with opportunities for each citizen to contribute their part, and reflect on what you personally can do to help our nation in whatever field of work you are in or where you can best contribute your skills and gifts and resources. Let us pause for a few minutes to contemplate. And now, from the top of the statue, let's send out our prayer for our nation. May we as a nation be guided by the divine to rediscover the sacred flame of our national heritage, which so many have given their lives to safeguard. Let the wounds of separation and division be healed by opening our hearts to listen to the truth on all sides, allowing us to find a higher truth that includes us all. May we learn to honor and enjoy our diversity and differences as a people, even as we more deeply touch our fundamental unity. May we as a people undergo a transformation that will draw forth individuals to lead our nation who embody courage, compassion, and a higher vision. May our leaders inspire us, and we so inspire each other that a new spirit of forgiveness, caring, and honesty be born in our nation. May we, as a united people, move with clear, directed purpose to take our place within the community of nations to help build a better future for all humankind. May we as a nation rededicate ourselves to truly living as one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And may God's will be done for our nation as we the people align with that will. Now, slowly as you are ready, leave the platform where you are standing, remembering and being inspired by all that you've experienced, and slowly begin to descend the stairs of the Statue of Liberty back to the ground floor. Let us give thanks for the many blessings constantly showered upon our country, and we thank you for participating in this meditation.